Let's move on to the A7 or 5 chord and the conventional chord. We can have a pure A major, one finger. And again, lots of cliched movements. Happens to be a D chord with an A bass. Very cliched. An open G, A. So here we have our A7. Same principle, we'll add colours. 3rd fret, 2nd string, sus4. Maybe take that finger off and see what happens. Let's play what we call our long A. Again, bar, and I'll just remove those fingers and let you see. 4th finger, 5th fret. And again we can just the notes of the scale. Okay. Now let's look at our 6th chord, our relative minor, the B minor. And we'll look at the two positions of it, the open position. And again we'll add colours. There I've added the 2nd fret. Again just a scale tone. We could play. Let me show you that full one. 2nd fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 3rd fret on the 2nd string, 2nd fret on the high E. And we can add our open E, we can add our C sharp note, now let's move to this one. For B minor, we could have B minor with an A bass. It's quite nice. We could add notes on the top end. That's 5th fret, 2nd string. Possibilities there. And finally the C sharp, minor 7 flat 5. This would probably be your least used chord in the key of D. Let's show you another fingering for that. 2nd finger, 4th fret, 5th string, 4th fret, 3rd string, 5th fret on the 2nd string, and we'll catch the G note on the top rather than okay. So there we have it. We have our 7 chords, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember the 2 3s are 6 formula that I gave you before for the minor chords, the 2nd, the 3rd, and the 6th chord minor. The 1 and the 4 major. The 5 chord, when it's extended, becomes your dominant chord. And finally your odd chord, the minor 7 flat 5 or half diminished. That's the 7 chord. So that was them with playing and just looking at some colours that we could add from the scale. Now remember, we've learnt 3rd intervals, and as I said, take your time with them, and 6th intervals. and try to play them not only across the neck like that, but the lengthwise of the neck, the way I showed you in each exercise. So let's look at some of the intervals that we could use. Let's look at sixes. So we might play a line. Then let's say our melody. And I'm sure you get the picture now that any of these that we've looked at can be used. Let me just play a few for you. And that was just a gliss 2-1. Slide. That's another one using one of the outside ones. Just on the first fret, strings 3 and 1, and just pull, and back to D.